I don't really want to make this video. I don't want to talk about what it means to be Black in a car accident here in Arizona. And I think this applies for most of the United States of America. You see, when you're involved in a car accident, regardless if it's your fault or not, police are going to show up, and we know by statistics, most of those police are going to be white. The person you most likely are going to be involved in a car accident with, especially here in Arizona, is most likely going to be white or Latino. And the first thing you feel or you see or you notice is that the police officer spends very little time with you and spends a lot of time talking to the other driver, the non-Black driver, letting them get their points out, letting them paint the narrative, set the narrative. And you're worried that you are going to be held responsible for something that you did not do. How do you get somebody to believe that you're innocent? You see, my name is Garrick McFadden, and I own the law firm GAMESQ. I'm a car accident lawyer located in Phoenix, Arizona. And I want to talk to you about being Black in a car accident. See, the first hurdle is just the scene. I've seen body cam footage. I've seen police officers spending 8 minutes with a white driver and spending less than 30 seconds with a Black driver. Even though it was a rear-end accident, the police officer was, oh, I don't know. So that's the first thing you have to deal with. You have to deal with maybe a straight up racist cop, or he has implicit bias. A nice way to say he's not racist. Next thing you have to deal with is medical care. We know here in America that Black people have worse health outcomes than non-Black people. Our maternal rates, the doctors don't believe our pain, right? There was a recent study within the last 8 years that doctors, like not in the past, but currently, medical students and doctors believe that Black people don't have the same level of pain as white people because they think our skin, our dermis, is thicker, and so therefore it's harder to get to our nerves, which is completely false. There's no physiological difference in our skin thickness than in white people, Latino people, Asian people. Yet that colors our need for healthcare. That's part of the reason, if we're going to be real and truthful about that, that is part of the reason the opiate crisis didn't really affect Black people as much as it affected white people, is because doctors did not believe that Black people were in pain, so they didn't overprescribe opiates to us. But they did to white people because they thought that they experienced more pain than us. The other thing is, being Black is you feel that you're being a victim, you're being taken advantage of, that nobody has your sincere efforts, like that they're out to help you. That's the reason I open up this law firm. You'll see other videos where I talk about that I live in Maryland. I'm in Phoenix right now. I own an office here in Phoenix. I own my law firm here in Phoenix. But I live in Maryland and I fly back here. I do that so that you could call somebody and get representation that you deserve. At my law firm, it is your injuries, our fight, your win. Call us now.